Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A lot of people are busy looking for ways to convert their dollar to Naira. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to convert your dollar to Naira. Okay, but before we proceed, take note, this video is based on my own personal research and experience. Okay, all viewers are advised to do their own research before using any platform. Understand? I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is based on my own personal use. All right, so guys, let's get deep into this particular platform. Okay, so all you have to do to convert your dollar to Naira is to download Monica app. So once you download Monica app, you register. Understand? So after a successful registration, this is what is going to display on your screen. As you can see, I've already started using this platform before. Understand that it is the platform I'm using. But take note once again, before using any platform, make sure you do your own research. This video is based on my own personal research and personal use. Understand? So you can see my transaction history on this Monica app. I've been using this Monica app now over 3 months. Understand? So to convert your money your dollar to Naira, this is what you are going to do. Just click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, click on I understand. Once you click on I understand, so you are going to see the crypto this thing. You can use ERC20, TRS, understand, but you want to deposit dollar, so you just use BEP20, BNB BEP20. So once you click on BNB BEP20, you are going to be given your wallet address, understand, for the Monica app. Understand? So guys, after I copy my BNB BEP20 wallet on Monica app, after I copy the wallet address, then I go to my Binance app. Understand? Once I go to my Binance app, I click on wallet. Once I click on wallet, I click on asset. From there, I click on send, because that's the place you are sending the money from your Binance to your Monica account. Understand? Then I click on send. Once I click on send, then I choose BNB. Understand? If you are not seeing it, search it, BNB BEP20. So that is the wallet address. Understand? You are going to send it to. Understand? So once you tap on it, then you paste your wallet address that you copy from Monica app. The wallet address you copy from Monica app, then you paste it right there. So once you paste it, then you click on send. Once you click on send, then you input the amount of money you want to send, maybe $50, maybe $10, maybe $20. Understand? But take note, the minimum deposit on Monica app is $5. Understand? Do not deposit below $5. Understand? Do not deposit below $5. Understand? You can see it right here. You can see it showing on your screen right here. Understand? $5 is the minimum deposit, and you can see the conversion rate of $1. Okay, you can see the conversion rate of $1. So after you click on send, it's going to be converted to Naira automatically. Understand? So then you go to your Monica app. Once you go to your Monica app, so you are going to be seeing your Naira on your balance. Okay, so from there you can transfer to your Nigerian bank account, or you can also transfer to Monica account. If the person you want to transfer to is using Monica, you can transfer to Monica account. Understand? So that is how to convert your dollar to Naira. Okay, so I'm making this video because some people, they are still doing something exchange, boss exchange, and I've wasted a lot of money. Guys, let's be honest, it is good to always make research. It is good to always make research, because these people some people they have used me to chop well. They have chopped my money well, because there are some updates I joined sometimes ago. Understand? That update is dollar update. Understand? So to convert it to Naira, I don't know any app to convert to Naira, so I just look for vendor. Understand? So vendor is selling for 1,001. Understand? And the conversion rate, normal conversion rate is 1314 that time. Understand? And I'm selling my own $1 for 1,000 or 1,100, 1,002. Understand? You can see the discount. You can see the discount is very God. So before using any platform, make sure you always do your own research. Understand? And thank God for those people that are earning on Bitcoin. Understand? So you can convert your dollar to Naira using Monica account. Understand? Take note once again, this video is based on my own personal research and personal use. I'm not a financial advisor. Before using any platform, make sure you do your own research. Okay, so this update, pass like that. In case you need more updates, kindly comment more updates in the comment section. I'm going to bring more updates to your table. This update, pass like that. Love you guys. Stay blessed. Stay positive.